Everyone, welcome back to Fast Stock Market News, where I give you all the news as fast as I can. So today's Saturday, guys, and I like to make crypto videos on Saturday because the markets are closed during the weekend. So today we can see that Bitcoin still continues to hover around that 29 to 30K range. Ethereum dropped a little bit below 2,000, and the winners for this week are Binance and also Solana, the top 10 coins that are the winners. So there's nothing really happening, no big news that's happening. We still are very well aware of how crypto is correlated to the stock market. But as far as today goes, the markets are moving a little bit. We can see that we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything's moving a little bit higher, and the altcoins are starting to move as well. Bit of news, we have Vitaly Buterin basically coming out and saying he's no longer a billionaire. And I know a lot of us don't care if he's not a billionaire. And like I would love to be a millionaire, but yeah, it's just shows you how far Ethereum has fallen, and it's caused him to lose lots of money, along with all of us. We also have the president of the ECB, Christine Lagarde, basically coming out and saying that crypto is worth nothing, it should be regulated. I do agree with her in the sense that it should be regulated. That'd actually be a very bullish thing for crypto. But to be saying it's worth nothing, it's basically, this is a lady out of touch with all kinds of reality. There was a time that people were collecting and paying with rocks once upon a time. So to say something's worth nothing is just a basically out of touch old person that's letting technology pass them by. But regardless of how I feel personally, it should be regulated. But to say it's worth nothing, we give value to whatever it is, whether that be fiat money, whether that be antique, a baseball card. It has a value based on what a person's willing to pay. And there is a lot of utilization for crypto, and it's just in the beginning stages. So as you guys remember, I did tell you, if you watched some previous videos, and literally no one was saying this, but I was telling you about how the S&P 500 had to fall lower basically to kind of like solidify that it's in a bear market. We've seen the NASDAQ getting absolutely pummeled. Currently the NASDAQ is down a bit under 30% right now, and the S&P 500 on Friday fell to bear market territory. It fell as much as basically 2.3% early in the day, and it rebounded. It kind of, once it hit that bear market territory, there was a bit of a rally toward the end of the day. But regardless, a lot of you are wondering how much further crypto can go, and I think I maybe have a little bit of a foundation for you guys to build on, so you can see how potentially much further down crypto can go. Take a look.
I want your take. Just how long is winter going to last, and how cold is it going to get? Like, how much lower is Bitcoin going to go?
Hi, Emily. Thank you so much for having me. I think it's just the beginning of crypto winter, to be very honest. And I am very surprised that people are expecting that it's going to continue to hover around 30K. I do expect it to go down to somewhere between 14K, 18K, maybe 22K as a stable point. But remember, we have seen this in the past 2 times. This is nothing new, right? Every time it goes up to an all-time high, there is a point when it comes down to and find a new lower point as a base point to stand around. I still feel that we have already entered crypto winter. We're going to stay here for at least year to year and a half. And I don't believe that Bitcoin is going to go back to 45, 50 or 60K for another year and a half. We will see another all-time high, but that will be for Ethereum too, actually, especially for Ether, because I believe this is the time when people are going to build, and they're going to have a lot of technology with major adoption. Look at what FTX just announced, which is going to bring a lot more people into the space, and that adoption is going to trigger back us to another big high cycle.
As you can see, the fund manager was mentioning that she thinks it can go to 22K, 14K, possibly. That's how much further the crypto can go. And if crypto goes that lower to the 14 and 20K, what have you, you can better believe the stock market's also going to go lower. But very exciting, because I am holding a lot of, she did mention about Ethereum. I personally think Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin in the next bull market. So I've been staking Ethereum, and I've been staking Ethereum for about a year now. I do have a high cost basis, but I'm not too worried. I think the Ethereum utilization is going to be tremendous going forward to 2023, 2024, and beyond. So yeah, currently I'm staking it for about 8%. But what are you guys doing during this crypto bear market? Are you guys buying the dip, or are you just hodling? Or are you actually selling? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Take care. Thanks again everyone for watching Fast Stock Market News. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.